Hey everyone, I hope we're having a nice Memorial Day weekend. I'm just going to crank out a video here and get back to my weekend. Real quick, the SPY gap down, closed green, but closed well off its highs. Um, I think Trump spooked the market a little bit with tariff talk, those seem to be getting shaken off more quickly too. Something to think about. Anyway, great teamwork on Friday. I'm going to crank this out. OKLO, we're definitely going to watch that one. That whole baby nuke space. Because of I think 3 executive orders, nuclear related, that Trump signed on Friday. So the ones I'm watching in relation to that, which were really strong, we expected them to be, by the way, on Friday. OKLO, SMR, these could all have these all deserve, excuse me, to be watched all week long, right? They'll be in play for at least a week, in my opinion. NNE and then also LTBR. Big breakouts. All could have a nice day on Monday, maybe Tuesday. No, won't happen on Monday. That's a holiday. On Tuesday, Wednesday, or even as late as Friday. But they're all. I'd actually like to see a 2 or 3 day pullback in them. But sometimes you get a continuation day. So we'll just watch for A+ setups, right? One of the quantum plays has an interesting chart, QUBT, which popped up here about a week ago and now is broken out of that range. Could certainly have a follow-through day. RDW is still kind of a sleeper pick, right? It had this kind of pop right about here, and it's going sideways over this area. Could get going. They do seem like they have a lot of news releases. So you basically still in that nuclear space because it's uranium, right? Uranium miner, I believe. And you had a nice breakout on Friday, certainly worth watching. Fuel cell, FCEL, nice little mini breakout, worth watching all week, I think. IONQ, which started the quantum rip yesterday. Okay, let me get this right. Today's Saturday, Thursday, and then inside day on Friday. Kind of the leader of the quantum plays, but definitely going to watch that one too. SBET, kind of a thinner stock. But really good volume for that stock and a really strong close. I did have a nice after hours trade in that one as well. Frank was hanging out with me. I enjoyed those after hour sessions, Frank. And then MN, I swear I'm not drinking. I am tired though. MNMD had a nice pop last week. I guess that would have been Tuesday. Pulled back for a few days or a couple days and then turning back up. Also in an interesting space. And that's one that you can get a news pop on if you've got it on a chart and you're ready to go. Sometimes they'll do announcements about the government making decisions about psychedelics, which I believe is what this is. I'm going to feel like an idiot if it's a flooring company. But anyway, that my brain has so many symbols danced around, but I think that's what this is. So worth having on a chart as well. And that's it for me. I'm tired. I'm going to bed. I'll see everybody on Tuesday morning.